morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am your Margi ma'am. Children, you already learned A, E, I, O and U sounds words. So, today we will revise I sound words in our English session. Children, tell me the sound of I is. Yes, it is E. So, let's read some I sound words. I sound words. N says N. I says E. B says B. N, E, B, nib. F says F. I says E. G says G. F, E, G, fig. P says P. I says E. G says G. P, E, G, pig. W says V. I says E. G says G. V, E, G, wig. P says P. I says E. P says P. P, E, P, peep. L says L. I says E. D says D. L, E, D, lead. B says B. I says E. N says N. B, E, N, bin. T says T. I says E. N says N. T, E, N, tin. P says P. I says E. N says N. P, E, N, pin. S says S. I says E. X says X. X. F says F. I says E. X says X. For X, fix. Now we will write I sound words in our notebook. Children, now we will write I sound words in our notebook. Here is today's date 2727.1.2121. Now first we will write NIB, nib. So first to write N we will make standing line, then go up, make a curve and come down N, then standing line and dot I, then standing line and reverse C curve B. N, E, B, nib. Number 2. F, E, G, fig. F, I, G, fig. So first we will write F. Make a curve, come down, then sleeping line F. Then standing line and dot I. Then C curve, go up, come down and little curve. It's a G. F, E, G, fig. Now number 3. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. So first we will make standing line, go up and curve P. Then standing line and dot. Then C curve, go up, come down and curve G. P-E-G, pig. Now number 4. Wig. W-I-G, wig. Slant line, come down, again slant line, go up, come down, go up, W. Then standing line and dot. Then again C curve, go up, come down and curve G. V-E-G, wig. Number 5. P-E-P, peep. P-I-P, peep. Standing line, go up and curve. Then standing line, then dot. Again standing line, go up and make a curve. P-E-P, peep. Number 6. L-I-D, lid. Standing line and dot I. Then standing line C curve. It's a D. L-E-D, lid. Now number 7. Bin. B-I-N, bin. Standing line, go up, then curve B. Standing line and dot I. Then standing line, go up, make a curve and come down. B-E-N, bin. Now number 8. Tin. T-I-N, tin. First we will write T. Standing line and make a curve, then slipping line T. Then standing line and dot. For N, standing line, curve, come down. N. T-I-N, tin. Now number 9. Pin. P-I-N, pin. Make a standing line, go up and curve P. Standing line and dot I. Then standing line, go up and come down N. P-E-N, pin. Now number 10. 6. S-I-X, 6. First we will write S. Then I. Then X. Slant line. Again slant line. X. 6. Now number 11. Zip. Z. Slipping line, slant line, again slipping line. then I, then P, standing line and go up and curve. Z, E, P, zip. Now the last number is 12. Fix, F-I-X, fix. Curve and come down and slipping line F. Then I. Then X, slant line, again slant line. F, E, X, fix. Children, I hope you learned I sound words very well. So, take care and bye.